Hey, how are you guys doing? So today is November the 5th, and I'm gonna update you on how my trading is going. So pretty much, I did make a video explaining how I got funded about a week ago, and unfortunately, I gambled it. I like was greedy. I was following my bias correctly. That's the only one thing that I was doing right, but obviously that is not enough to be consistent in the market. That is not enough to, try and be profitable over a long amount of time. And as you can see right now, I'm in a trade. This is on a funded account actually. So what I'm gonna tell you right now is I did blow up my funded futures funded account because I was gambling, like I said. I was, being greedy. I was trying to make more than I wanted for some reason. I literally ended. So pretty much it was Tuesday. Tuesday, I made $1,000. Monday, I didn't trade. I made like $100 for the winning day. Tuesday, I made $1,000 overnight on Asia session, and for some reason, I decided to overtrade that same day. I decided to take more trades than I should have. I decided to, trade again after I literally got it $1,000 on a funded account, which is my normal win, and that's how much it's a big win for me. And for some reason, I was being greedy. I wanted more. I wanted more, and that's what ended up me actually going down in the negatives. I was literally up 1,600, and then I was down $450 on the day, and I ended red on the day, which was just so unfortunate, which made me overtrade yesterday as well, or today, as we can say, I guess. Um, and I blew up my funded. I blew it up with price action over here and over here because I was just gambling, trying to catch momentum plays. Nothing really spectacular, but I did pass an eval, which is the one that I'm currently on. The alpha futures, my funded which has got me funded instantly because I did take this pretty quality setup over here. As you can see, I took it from here, and as you can see, took out the stops, waited for a retracement and a close above this CSD. Got it. Only had like $100 worth of drawdown, and that was pretty perfect, as you can see. And I took it all the way to where I needed to pass, which was 90 points, and that made me 3K. So I got it instantly funded. I have the account right now. As you can see, this is the funded account. I'm surprised they gave it to me that instantly like that. Um, right now we're in a trade for longs. I don't know if this is gonna work out. We're pretty much consolidating right now, with an area of the 5 minute, and we'll give it 3 more minutes to play out, and we'll see how it works. If it continues to work or not. Might have to edit this video, but we'll see. You're gonna see how I manage my trade. Usually I do stream live on TikTok, so anyone can see it. But this week I haven't been streaming just because I've been, for some reason, not focused on my trading. I've been too impatient. I've been too greedy. I've been doing everything that I shouldn't have been doing, and yeah, that's pretty much cost me, my whole account. So I got lucky enough to pass this. So yeah, other than that, as you can see, we're forming kind of an SMT with ES, which is something that I don't like. So we see strong momentum to the downside. I'm probably gonna get break even and end the video. I am actually eating right now. I'm kind of talking to this like it's my live stream, but you guys are here to see how I trade and who I am as a person. And I don't fake stuff. I always, I don't rehearse anything. I just say as it is. As you can see, you know, I do have a lot of troubles of trading. The one thing is, as a recent, since I have nothing to do after I finish trading, either I win or lose, I usually tend to either do absolutely nothing, doom scroll, or just, if I lose especially, I try to revenge trade and stay on the charts even longer because that's what I have nothing else to do, and that's one of the bad things that I need to stop doing. Either I take my loss, get off the charts, and that's it, or uh, I just completely turn off everything, my phone, everything. Don't even look at a computer until like market closes, go to the gym, go outside or do something because I'm too addicted to these charts. I'm too addicted to being greedy right now. And that's something I can't afford right now. Like I said, I am gonna let this play out. If this is pretty much my break even over here. If we close above here, I could expect us to keep going higher. If we touch this and reject, pretty much expect us to go lower. But for now, price is just slowly going up. We'll see if it goes. The reason I took this trade was because, as you can see, we have this 4-hour high, which is my main draw liquidity after we expanded that much. Um, we could expect to see it. Um, we did take out New York PM low over here, as you can see, which is why I kind of went in on this long. and also same thing with ES forming us an SMT, which is why I took this trade. And I wasn't gonna trade today after I, caught my how do you say it? Okay, so that's break even, chat. So, anyways, I wasn't gonna catch this trade or trade at all, but I saw this beautiful setup, and like I said, I know how to trade, man. It's just that me and being patient. As of now, being patient and greedy are one of the main things that are killing me. They are destroying me from the inside because for some reason I can't wait and be patient for 20 minutes to make $1,000 or either lose $400. And I would rather, for some reason, I'm losing $400 in, a minute rather than waiting 30 minutes to have a higher probability of catching a winning trade. But for some reason, I just can't. I'm not doing that. I'm just being stupid and I'm not following my rules. Like I said, I'm being impatient. I am being a degenerate, and I hate that about myself because I just can't go on a day without losing. And if I have a good winning streak, then I'll keep on following my rules. But if I don't, I'll break them. And that's one of the bad things that I, keep on doing. So yeah, man, I have to stop trading entirely. Luckily, this account or Alpha Futures has a $1,000 draw limit, I believe, so I get automatically liquidated. So that's at least somewhat decent. I'm gonna see if I could change it to a little bit lower, so I can only take one trade a day. But either way, it's also has a consistency rule, so which means I can only make a certain amount of money, which is pretty good because I can, so I don't have to be greedy, have to follow certain rules, and I don't have to, worry about the money that as much or be greedy, which I usually am not. Um, but as you can see, I always take my profits to where liquidity is. I never take it if I'm up like $500 or $1,000. I would literally wait for it to hit my break even. For like example, for like right now, this is a there's a high chance of us going lower here and just breaking this instantly. But it's quite unfortunate. But I'm not gonna take my profits. Why? Because I still, well, it's a free trade first of all, and there's no reason to take it off. But other than that, I will update you guys if we win or lose. So yeah, that's all I pretty much wanted to say. I wanted to rant about how everything was going for me and tell you the truth of how some traders are, and this is how I am. So yeah, let me know how you guys do, if you guys took a win or a loss, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we can still follow our rules to the weekend. And yeah, so then, see ya.